Welcome to Blue Sky Automotive. This is just a quick tip video. I'm working on a 2008 Chevy Cobalt with a intermittent check engine light. Now they've said, oh, the check engine light's on, so I come down, check it out, and I never find a code. Today I was changing the blinker switch on this Cobalt and stumbled across something very interesting. So after changing the blinker switch, I started it up just to check all the function and noticed, hey, check engine light's on. Sweet. Let me plug it in to my scan tool. Let me read some codes and look what I have. All right, so I go into engine, read fault codes, display DTCs, and watch. No communication, what? That's never happened before. So I stumbled across this by accident. This is the customer's USB charger plugged into the cigarette lighter. I was charging my flashlight because I was doing some other stuff under the dash and I needed a light, but my flashlight was dead, so I plugged it in to charge it. So that's when I noticed the check engine light a little bit later. Unplugging it, check engine light goes away. Now, let me hit DTCs, and there we go, I can communicate again. Back out, plug this guy back in, check engine light back on, and you notice the RPM gauge dropped, and well, I can communicate that time. Try it again. There we go, lost communication with the ECU. Interesting that is pulling down our communication network with the ECU, so I can no longer communicate. Now watch this. Pull this out, put in a different charger. Is it the socket? Is it my light being plugged in? Is it the charger? So plugged in the new charger, no light, and I can communicate. So kind of an interesting case that a USB card charger can cause a check engine light and a loss of communication with the engine computer. Very interesting. I never found this intermittent check engine light because I never had anything plugged in to their cigarette lighter. No doubt on their way to work or wherever, they would have their phone plugged in and then they would notice a check engine light every once in a while. Sometimes they wouldn't have their phone plugged in, so then there wasn't a light. So very interesting. So I just thought I'd throw this out there, quick tip. You never know. It could be something just as crazy as a little charger plugged into the cigarette lighter. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.